Welcome to my channel. Today I'm preparing some oxtail, and in the kitchen I have my daughter Angie. This is how you season up the oxtail before cooking it. I have some ginger, garlic, onion, some white onion, green seasoning, and the seasoned salt, all adding into this oxtail today. So this oxtail has wash and seasoning since the day before, but we still adding a little bit more fresh seasoning in it and work it in a little bit more, and then I'm gonna put it into the pressure so that I could be able to soften up the meat. Alright, so look at this. Alright,